Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So basically we're using Shopify for a while now and you just want to go ahead and actually issue a refund on the new version in 2026. Since sometimes refunds are unavoidable, in this small tutorial I'll make sure to show you all of them steps needed so you can do so. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. The number one step is for you to open your usual browser, make sure you are fully connected to the internet as well. Go all the way to shopify.com. Just the usual steps. All you're gonna do now is they're gonna show you a place where you should log in using your email address and password. Do that, tap on login, and it will show you a new window that looks like this. Now we're gonna go to orders from the top left corner. So as you see here, you must be able to see all of your orders. If you are basically already on Shopify, you have your plan, you already paid for your subscription and everything else. Your order list would shown here. Now all you're gonna do is choose and select the order you want to refund. Then tap on the refund button. After this, choose the refund amount. Select full or partial refund. Then restock items, it's optional for you. Choose whether to restock returned products or basically leave them, it depends on you. And confirm your refund and the refund process will be fulfilled. And that's it guys. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.